Welcome! In front of me I have MICHAEL Kors Accesss Grayson, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the middle button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. And once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the system option and tap on it. And here find the option called date and time. Then select it. Now we need to disable the automatic date and time option. And after you disable it, you can scroll down and here you can change the time format by turning on or off the option called use 24-hour format. If you turn it on, of course, the watch will switch to the 24-hour format, and if you disable it, it will switch to the 12-hour format. So turn it on or off, and once you're done, press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time format on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.